2021 Ford F-150. With less than 13,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.